guys, it's Rebecca. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure to definitely subscribe if you haven't already. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing a very popular hair care brand I'm very excited to try. I'm so fortunate to review these products for you guys, and it is the famous Hairfinity products. Now, you guys have definitely seen Hairfinity on Instagram, any social media. You guys know what Hairfinity is. It's a famous hair care brand that is amazing with strengthening your hair, reducing breakage, and just improving the overall health of your hair. And today I'm going to demonstrate how I use these products for my healthy hair routine. Let's look at my hair before I get into the shower. So you see that my hair has some shine, it's dull, my scalp is dirty. I have a ton of product in my hair. I co-washed a couple days before instead of shampooing because my scalp wasn't really up to it. And I kind of regret co-washing. Look at my hair. You can see that my hair is way down. I have way too much product in my hair. It's just, I needed the shampoo. I needed to fix whatever was going on with my hair. So first, I'm starting with my Hairfinity Advanced Hair Care Gentle Cleanse Shampoo. Now this shampoo, you can see I've used it right. It's about right here, and my conditioner is under the label already. You guys know shampoo lasts longer than conditioner. And I can say for a fact, my word, I love this shampoo. It's amazing. My scalp is very sensitive. Using certain shampoos really just doesn't work with my scalp. I need a gentle cleansing shampoo, but it has to get all the buildup off without stripping my hair. My hair is stripped. I need to do a hot oil treatment, rewash my hair. There's just so much that goes on when I shampoo my hair, and this shampoo, I never have to worry about it not working. It's amazing. I love this shampoo so much. I have been using their shampoo for about a month now. I'm not sure exactly, but I've been using this at least more than 6 wash days. I've used this a lot, and this shampoo has definitely changed my wash day. Like, my scalp is so much more moisturized. It doesn't strip away my hair. You guys can see what my scalp looks like after shampooing. It's so moisturized. It looks like I didn't even shampoo. It looks like I used like a conditioner or a deep conditioner, but no. I shampooed my hair with their gentle cleanser. After I shampoo, I'm going on to my Balanced Moisture Conditioner, and I take a couple pumps of this. I use a good amount. Just curly girls, you know, we're always using a bunch of conditioner, and this conditioner, you don't even need to let it sit in your hair. I don't know what about it, but the slip is amazing. It's like just runs through your hair. It's just like you had no tangles at all. This conditioner is amazing. I just rake it through my hair, and then I start finger detangling immediately so I can let this sit while I already detangled. And this conditioner just makes my wash day so much faster. It's effortless because it just gets rid of the tangles like it's nothing. After I rinse out the conditioner, you can see how moisturized my hair looks, but I'm not even done yet. Next, I go in with their Strengthening Amino Mask. Now this mask is meant to strengthen your hair. It reinforces the hair's cuticle by infusing amino acids deep into the hair shaft, giving you revitalized tresses that look and feel stronger, smoother, and overall just healthier hair using this mask. You guys can see this mask is pretty thick, but once I apply it through my hair, it just smooths and turns into this like butter whipped consistency, and I just rake it through my hair, and I'm applying a shower cap onto my hair to just generalize that heat a little more, and I leave this on for 15 minutes, then I rinse it out. After I've done all that, this is what my hair looks like. My scalp is so clean. You guys just see there's no buildup with my scalp at all. It's nice and squeaky clean, but it's also very moisturized and strengthened using their products. This is actually my day 2 hair, and I know that I did not use any styling products, but just take a look at my scalp. I know you guys see how healthy my scalp is. And overall, you can see that my hair has a ton of shine, it's moisturized, my scalp is healthy, my hair isn't dry, and overall, my hair looks amazing thanks to these products. I will have these products linked down below. I truly love these products. I've been using them for a while, like I said, to make sure I knew what I liked, saw if there were any cons, which there aren't. Another pro is that all these products are sulfate, silicone, and paraben free, so they're curly girl friendly, don't break any of the hair rules, and you have to get them because they're amazing. The thing about Hairfinity is that they also have vitamins. I don't have them today to show you guys because I'm just reviewing their deep moisture kit, and They are proven to reduce breakage. Proven. Like, scientifically proven. It's going to happen. It is proven up to 95% a reduction of breakage. That's insane that these products can do that, but they can do that because it's Hairfinity. They're amazing. Just gotta put that out there. Your hair is going to be stronger, healthier, and longer thanks to these products. I will have the links to this kit down below, and I'll have them linked individually. Make sure to definitely check out their products. They're amazing. You guys will see me post about them so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you did. Comment down below what's your favorite Hairfinity product or a Hairfinity product that you want to try. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It's that red button. Just click it. It takes 2 seconds. Helps me out a lot. It'll make me very happy. I hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys next time. Bye.